In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find the IP address on your Hisense TV. This is super useful if you need to troubleshoot network issues or just want to know your TV's network details. I'll show you two simple methods, so you can use whichever works best for you. Before we start, if you want complete online privacy while streaming or browsing, check out the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price. For the first method, go to your settings on your Hisense TV and click on the settings icon. From there, select Network and Internet. Then choose the Wi-Fi network you're currently connected to. For example, here I'm connected to my Airtel Wi-Fi. Click on your network and you'll see your IP address displayed, and just below it, you'll also see your MAC address. This is a quick and easy way to get both pieces of information directly from your network settings. Now for the second method. Go back to Settings and scroll down to System. From there, select About and then Status. This section will also show your IP address and MAC address, so you can verify them if the first method didn't work or if you just want to double check. And that's it. Those are the two ways to quickly find your IP and MAC addresses on your Hisense TV. It's really simple once you know where to look. And just a reminder, if you want to keep your TV and all your devices secure online while streaming, NordVPN is the choice. It's fast, reliable, and works perfectly with all smart TVs to protect your connection and unblock content worldwide. Check the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price.